Uniform airflow through the media bed is crucial to the proper operation of a biofilter or bioscrubber. A smoke test is a simple and inexpensive way to determine whether airflow is distributed uniformly throughout the biofilter cells. GES Biotek introduces smoke candles to the off-gas airflow at strategic access points around the filter media. This allows our experts to visually assess airflow distribution throughout biofilter beds and determine if the media bed is properly balanced and components are properly functioning. Tracking the path of the smoke through the media will reveal the presence of clogging, media compaction, and structural failure. GES Biotek records a video of the smoke test for a detailed review and notes areas of low flow for a follow-up inspection. By leveraging GES Biotek's smoke testing services, you ensure your system has proper airflow and is free from leaky pipes and seals. Contact us today to learn how our smoke testing services can benefit your project.